Hi, good morning guys. Nick here with Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery. Today we're in our darkroom, and the process today that I'm going to show you is how to do separations on neck tags. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the order that you're going to be working on. In this case it's going to be 17217. So we're going to open up Separation Studio, coming over here to open. I'm going to go to our core bridge orders, and we're going to highlight 17217, enter, go ahead and go into our production file. Now we're looking for the PDF that says NT, short for neck tag. So I'm going to start here with the small through large. Just going to go ahead and double click that. Okay, so it opens up here. And additionally, what I'd like to do is I'm going to take a look at the garment that I'm going to be printing to. The color is like a kind of like a drab, an olive drab color. So I'm going to find something similar to that in Separation Studio. How you can do that is you're going to go ahead and you're going to select your textile. So you want to come over here, select textiles on the left hand side. You want to select whatever color that you're trying to match for the garment you're going to be printing, and hit the little t-shirt button down here. Right? If you see it, what it's done over here is it changes the color of the background to closer to what the actual textile is going to be. So if you look down here, we have a few different separations. We're looking at the first one here, which is just our registration marks. The second one is telling us our sizes, and the third one is going to be the actual print of it. Now, if you see here, the size is actually in this gray, right? So we don't necessarily need this pink file here. So I'm going to grab that. I'm going to drag it over to the trash bin. All right, now that's gone, and we need to get these two together because we have our print, but we also need to know where to register them. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab this black file, you're going to just drag it over to the other file and hit multiply. That way it drops in our registrations, and so we know where to line them up on press. Now that we have all our separations done, now we're going to place it on the screen and tell the iImage where to print it. How to do that, we're going to come up to print. We're going to go to marks and layouts. It's going to be a full front, full back template. As you can see, it's all going to be centered. We need them to be centered in order to print. And then we're going to come to our placement. It automatically centers it, but we need to have a custom drop on these. So we're going to come down here to custom. I'm going to change my Y-axis to 1 inch. You see it move the entire thing up. That is our standard for neck tag placements. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. We want to make sure that saves in the 233155 LPI folder, which it looks like it is here. And I'm just going to go ahead and save that. I had done one originally, so it's asking me if I want to replace it. I'm just going to go ahead and say yes on that. And it's typically to come up and just say separation saved successfully. You want to hit OK, and you're done. Thanks, guys.